Hello class 1, how are you all? So I hope that you all are fine, isn't it? So children, this is your book Mulberry, New Mulberry part 1, and we were doing chapter 2 of this book, isn't it? We have completed the story and we have done page number 29, isn't it? Quick answers. This one we have done in the previous class. And now today children, we will discuss page number 30. This is page number 30 of your book. Okay. See here, up to making connections. So, number 1 quick answers we have done up to 2. Now the next question is read, reflect and write. For read, reflect and write, I will send the attachment, okay, in the next video, and you will copy the answers from there, okay. You will find the link in the description box and you will copy the answers from there. Read, reflect and write, okay. This is question number 3 and 4. Okay, now we will move to word wall. This is word wall. Okay, and this one is your homework, children. Okay, what you have to do? You have to label the names. Okay, see, parts of a tree. You know the parts of a tree. So, label the parts of a tree with the words given in the box. So, in the box, there is a box in this page. Okay, in page number 30. So, you will find the name, body parts, the parts of a tree. Okay, the parts of a tree are given in the box, and with the help of the arrow, so see a picture is given, picture of a tree is given here, and you have to write down, name the parts of the tree in the space provided, in the box provided, with the help of this box, okay. See, roots, branch, fruit, trunk and leaf. So all these names you have to see, you have to label the name in the picture given. This is a homework for you. Clear? You will do it in your CW copy. English Literature CW copy. Fine? Okay. Now children, we will move to page number 31. This is grammar time. See, this is page number 31. Okay. See, now here we will see the use of a and an. Okay, now we are doing page number 31 and the chapter is 2. Okay, chapter 2, page number 21. Page number 31. Okay. Chapter 1, page number 31, use of A and N. Now children, we all know that how many letters are there, alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets, isn't it? So, where, you know, and 26 alphabets, this means 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. They are called what? Vowels. And the rest of the alphabets are known as consonants. And where to use N and where to use R. So this we will see. And we all know that the word that begins with A, E, I, O, U, they take N before them, and rest of the letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, all these are the consonants, leaving all these 5, A, E, I, O, U. All of those words take A, they take N in the beginning, before them, isn't it? So children, see that here few pictures are given, and now we will see where to use A and where to use N. The first one is, see, we can see the picture of an apple. So we know that what is the spelling of apple? A-double-P-L-E. So what we will write here? Before writing apple, what we will put? Which article, A or N? We will put N. Why? Because this word apple begins with the letter A, which is a vowel. Which is a vowel. As we know that A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are known as vowels. Okay, and the rest are consonants. So whenever we begin a word with A, E, I, O, U, before that we put N. Now suppose I am writing pen. P-E-N, pen. So what shall I put here? N or A? We will put a pen. Why? Because this P, pen starts with the alphabet P, and P is a consonant. We have not found that here, P here, because we know that how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Rest are consonant. As pen starts with the alphabet P, so P is a consonant, and before a consonant we always put A, not N. So similarly, here you can see the picture of a tree. See the picture? See, can you see? Yes, this is a tree. So a tree, because T-I-W, tree. So tree, this T is a consonant. So we will put N, A before tree. In the same way, see children, we use N in front of the words that begins with vowel sounds, isn't it? So A, this one is P, this is consonant sound, and this apple start with a vowel sound. And, for example, ant, A-N-T, ant. So ant start with a vowel sound. So before ant we will write N-End. Okay. Suppose I will write book. Book. I have one book. So I will write a book, because book begins with a consonant sound. Clear? This way we will see we use A in front of the word that do not begins with the vowel sounds. Now see, here are also here you can see many 3 examples: a lemon, a clock, a candle. Because lemon, L start with a consonant sound. Next one, clock, C, clock starts with a consonant sound. And candle, C, candle also starts with a consonant sound. Clear? Now we will do the exercise given here. Okay? Let me read for you. Fill in the blanks with A or N. So I hope that everyone, all of you are having a pencil in your hand, isn't it? So every time when I take your class, so you take a pencil and an eraser in your hand. Now see, we will do the exercise. Number 1, fill in the blanks with A or N. Okay, number 1 is, you can see the pictures. Few pictures are given here. See these pictures. Okay, this is what? And this is A. This is shoe, onion, X, orange, umbrella, kite. This is a bowl. Then this is cake, and this is igloo. Now we have to put A or N, and for that we have to see whether the word begins with a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Okay, so let us start. See number A, egg. E-G-G. So a egg or an egg? It will be an egg, because egg starts with the vowel sound E. And we know that A, E, I, O, U, they are vowels. So E is vowel, as the word egg begins with the consonant sound E. So we will write here an egg. Okay. number B. See, number B we can see shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. And this S is a consonant sound. Isn't it? S, shoe begins with the consonant sound. So, we will write a shoe. Now come to number 3. C. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion begins with the letter alphabet O. O is vowel. So again, an onion. Now number D. What is number D? X. So X. A-X-E. Again, A is a vowel. A is vowel. So N, X. Now E. E. See, E. Here E is orange. So an orange or a orange? O. So it begins with O. So an orange. Now E. E done. F. Number F. What can we see in number F? Umbrella. So U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. So U. So U is also vowel. So an umbrella. Now G. G is kite. We can see picture of a kite. K-I-T-E, kite. So K is consonant. So a kite. H. Here H, bowl. So B-O-W-L. What is bowl? Vowel or consonant? Consonant. So bowl starts with the consonant sound. So a bowl. H. Then number I. Number I is cake. You all like cake? So C-A-K-E, cake. A or N? A cake. S-C is a C star. Cake starts with a consonant sound. Now J. J is igloo. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. I is vowel. So N, igloo. Igloo starts with a vowel sound. Okay. So here we have done page number 31 and we have done the fill in the blanks with A and N, and we know that the the word that begins with vowels takes N before them, and the consonants, the words that begins with a consonant sound takes A before them. Okay, so we have completed this one. So in the next class, I will tell you how you will write, read, reflect and write. That is given in page number 30. Okay, question answers. I'll send a link also from where you can write down the answers. And please do the homework, page number 30, that is word 1, parts of a tree. Label the parts of the tree with the words given in the box. Thank you.